Values of trigonometric functions 15 degrees, 75 degrees, etc. If the police, while chasing a stolen car in a helicopter at a height of 1,000 feet from the ground, sight the car an angle of depression of 75 degrees, how far is the helicopter from the car? What would the distance between the stolen car and a point directly below the helicopter be? Well, in order to solve this problem, we need to find the trigonometric ratios for 75 degrees and use the compound angle formula of trigonometric ratios. Let's see how this is done. Let's begin with finding sine 15 degrees and sine 75 degrees. Sine 75 degrees can be written as sine 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. You may observe that sine 45 degrees plus 30 degrees is in the form of sine of A plus B, and sine of A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B for all A, B that belong to the set of real numbers. So, sine 45 degrees plus 30 degrees can be expressed as sine 45 degrees cos 30 degrees plus cos 45 degrees sine 30 degrees. Here, sine 45 degrees is equal to square root of 2 by 2. Cos 30 degrees is equal to square root of 3 by 2. Cos 45 degrees is equal to square root of 2 by 2. And sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to sine 45 into cos 30 plus cos 45 into sine 30, which is equal to 2 root by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus root 2 by 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to root 6 by 4 plus root 2 by 4. Therefore, sine 75 degrees is equal to square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by 4. Similarly, sine 15 degrees. This can be written as sine 45 degrees minus 30 degrees, which is in the form of sine A minus B is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B for all AB that belong to the set of real numbers. As you know, sine 45 degrees is equal to 1 by square root of 2. Cos 30 degrees is equal to square root of 3 by 2. Cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 by square root of 2. And sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to sine 45 into cos 30 minus cos 45 into sine 30 equals to 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2 equals to root 2 by 2 into root 3 by 2 minus root 2 by 2 into 1 by 2 equals to root 6 by 4 minus root 2 by 4. Therefore, sine 15 equals root 6 minus root 2 by 4. Let's now find cos 105 degrees. 105 can be written as 60 plus 45. So, cos 105 degrees can be expressed as cos 60 degrees plus 45 degrees. It is in the form of cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Here, cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 by square root of 2, which can also be expressed as square root of 2 by 2. Sine 60 degrees is equal to square root of 3 by 2, and sine 45 degrees is equal to 1 by square root of 2, which again could be expressed as square root of 2 by 2. So, cos 60 degrees plus 45 degrees can be expressed as cos 60 degrees cos 45 degrees minus sine 60 degrees sine 45 degrees. And by substituting the values in the equation, we get 1 by 2 into square root of 2 by 2 minus square root of 3 by 2 into square root of 2 by 2. By simplifying, we get cos 60 degrees plus 45 degrees to be square root of 2 by 4 minus square root of 6 divided by 4. Therefore, cos 105 equals to root of 2 minus root of 6 by 4. You should know that as cos 105 degrees lies in the second quadrant, its value would be negative. Now, using the values of sine 75 degrees and sine 15 degrees, let's find the value of tan 15 degrees in this triangle. As we know, tan theta is equal to side opposite to theta by side adjacent to theta. Therefore, tan 15 could be expressed as square root of 6 minus square root of 2 divided by square root of 6 plus square root of 2. By rationalizing the denominator, we get root of 6 minus square root of 2 divided by square root of 6 plus square root of 2 into root 6 minus root 2 by root 6 minus root 2. Square root 6 minus square root of 2 the whole square divided by 6 minus 2, which is equal to 6 plus 2 minus 2 into root 12 by 4, which is equal to 8 minus 4 into root 3 by 4. By solving, we get tan 15 to be equal to 2 minus square root of 3. Now let's find tan 75 degrees in the triangle. By rationalizing the denominator, root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by square root of 6 minus square root of 2 into root 6 plus root 2 by root 6 plus root 2. Tan 75 degrees is equal to square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by square root of 6 minus square root of 2 equals to 6 plus 2 plus 2 root 12 by 4. 8 plus 4 square root of 3 divided by 4, which is equal to 2 plus square root of 3. You may observe that tan 15 degrees is 2 plus square root of 3, and tan 75 degrees is 2 minus square root of 3, which incidentally are the roots of the equation x squared minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Summary. Sine 75 degrees is equal to root 6 plus root 2 by 4. Sine 15 degrees is equal to root 6 minus root by 4. Tan 15 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. Tan 75 degrees is equal to 2 plus root 3.